guys, we got a jab and slip slash slip and jab boxing drill for you here. We're going to start off, we're just slipping, we're just being defensive, we're evading their straight punches. I want to point out that you could use this in patterns against, you know, jab cross combinations, jab cross jab, double jab cross, but we're just going to illustrate it off of me throwing a jab, and then we will add in him countering with the jab. Okay, so this is again a slipping drill. It's a head movement drill for evasions. So he's just going to start and he's going to slip outside my jab here. Okay, so when he does that, in a second we'll add a punch on, but we're not going to add anything right now. So he slips, boom, right there. Okay, so when he slips a single jab, he could slip either side. So he slipped that way, slip this way this time. Okay, now let's say I throw a double jab. Right there, okay? We're going to start adding on, getting out and everything. Triple jab, go outside first, out and out, all right? Now, if we started slipping, you know, outside first, we need to also slip inside. You have to work both sides, okay? So slip to the inside of my jab first, right? Good, just a single, and then you go double, and then I will do triple. Inside, outside, inside. So those are the patterns. You just need to work both sides to add unpredictability, right? You don't want to be predictable. You don't want them to be like, I'm going to do this and get his head to move there, because that's what he does. Then you can get faked. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to throw a few sets, a single, double, triple. We'll do it in that pattern. He's slipping. We're going to move around a little bit. And you slip either side you want, okay? Just single. All right, just no jab yet. No jab.
Sorry.
Yeah, we're going to add that on double. Good. Triple. 1, 2, 3. Good. One more set through. Single. Double. Triple. Good. Okay. So outside, outside, inside, or inside, outside, inside. It's, you know, patterns. You can even change those patterns for broken rhythm. That's when you're getting into the strategy of different combos being thrown other than just the jab. It starts off of just slipping my jab, then adding his jab. Then it goes out from there. Okay. So do a single slip and a single jab simultaneously. We call this a half beat counter or a split entry. Okay. So he slips and jabs. Let's do another single, go the other way. Good, okay? Do that again and just get out. So, you know, slip here and get out, and then slip here and get out. Look, he angled out. He's going to go this side this time. Good, okay? So, you got to go both ways. We'll do the double. So, you know, start outside, inside, and then we'll do another double. We'll go inside, outside. So start going, head movement going this way first. Jab, jab, right? So double, jab, jab, and he's out. Good. Come back. Okay. Now start going this way with your head first. Double. Boom, boom, and get out. Boom, 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 and he's out. Good. Okay. And you know, again, here I'm giving him specific commands. We don't want to think about this too much, right? I'm trying to encompass as many variations as we can in the video for you. So just remember, you know, slip your head outside, inside, alternate that. Okay. Now triple jab. Just start outside first. Three slips, 3 jabs. 1, 2, 3, and we're breaking level, getting out, whatever, okay? Start 3 jabs, slip this way first. 1, 2, 3, and he's out, okay? So, let's just do single, double, triple. I want you to focus on jabbing. You slip whichever way you want. I'm not going to give you any commands on that. And then you focus on getting out, okay? Look, I'm here as a trainer to remind him to get out. I'm not always going to bop him, but it's just how you got to remind each other. Hey, it's a better idea after you hit me to get out of the way so you can keep hitting me from the angle and not get hit by me, okay? So single, good, he's out. Double, he's out. Triple, he's out, right? And he's got that little reverse hook off the turn out there if he wants it, okay? So again, work this off just slipping. Get your head movement down. Then start using it as a counter. Slip and jab. Slip and jab. You gotta work both sides. Right? A lot of people do not train all of these jabs where, here, you know, you get into guys that do boxing to make their kickboxing MMA better. They don't do this, so they don't want to get kicked in the leg, right? It's not that it doesn't exist, it's not applicable, that you can't use it. You know, you can use it in those sports, but you got to be careful, all right? So just kind of moving your head and throwing and punching at the same time. Half beat counters, okay? Start with that, and then you can layer this on to double jab, cross, and jab, cross, jab, jab, cross, all that. All right? Thank you, guys.